Boys and girls, buckle in and get ready for a ride.
Ding. Perfect. It's got to be perfect.
Now get out of here, you crazy kid.
I didn't get any yet.
This is Knott's Berry Farm's 100th anniversary, so you have to have some cake.
Make some cakes. What if we make a carousel?
Stop.
Don't say it. Please, please keep it
That
to
the
yourself.
judges could ride on.
No.
So today's challenge is theme parks. We're gonna make a carousel. It's gonna spin around. The seats are gonna go up and down. It's gonna be a ride. All right, let's do it. Come on.
I think a carousel would be really fun.
Yeah, how big we talking?
Let's not go for size.
Okay.
Let's go for beauty. So we're making a carousel that spins and horses and all the animals kind of go up and down, and it lights up. And then we hit a button, and it shoots popcorn about 20 feet in the air, and everybody holds out their cups, and then they catch popcorn. All right, let's do it.
So I'm gonna start assembling the cameos. I'm gonna do the ones for the backs of the chairs first, and then work my way to the bigger ones that are gonna be at the top of the carousel. These pictures are a combination of 2D images that we've done out of modeling chocolate and fondant, and then they're accented with all of the filigree molds, so they have a lot of depth. They're like extra fancy pictures.
This guy, he has had too much grass, so he's having a nap. You know, one of the cool things about carousels is they have these like paintings all over. And so I saw this bison on there, and I like bison. So I'm gonna do portraits of bison. Look at that buff, man, he's great.
The buffalo is very important in this cake. Duff loves buffalo. So I want to make sure it looks good.
Duffalo.
Buffalo.
The whole thing is basically just an easel to hold my buffalo masterpieces, so,
You know,
They are masterpieces.
each one.
Okay, you and Becky, get on.
We'll hold hands so we don't fall off. We'll link arms.
Okay, ready?
This is the best part of this whole trip, except for Becky.
We're doing it.
I never built a ride or a carousel, but I'm gonna use my common sense and my will to never give up to make this happen.
We're making an actual carousel.
We used molds to make some of these, and we also hand sculpted some. So here we have our chicken. They will be like so. And then we're gonna decorate them, give them saddles, make them cute and pretty.
Does that chicken have flip-flops on?
Yes.
Oh my God. There's a chicken and flip-flops on the cake.
Now it's time for the cake to go. That works perfectly. Oh, it's gonna look so nice.
It looks great. It's time to deliver it. I love it. I'm psyched.
Come to me! Come all the way in!
Let's torch.
Incredible. All the bits and pieces are coming together.
All right. Looks like we're done. All right, you guys ready? Yep, go. Get out of here. It's time to go. So we are on our way to Knott's Berry Farm. I feel great about this cake. Hop on in, Duff.
I present to you the American Carousel!